Hey guys, I had an old Logitech M570 which I bought in during March of 2017. And I'd been using it all this while, and now it is September of 2018. What happened is the double click on it, the single click on it started registering a double click all the time. um, it was so annoying. I thought, I did not know what went wrong, and I was using it on the work computer. So I tried looking at the settings, and most of the settings that I do not have access to, and then I did not know what's going wrong. And then I started using it testing it out on my home computer. It showed me the same issues, the same behavior, and that's when I realized the problem is with the hardware itself. And then I did a little bit of looking into. Looks like the switches that Logitech uses, they get worn out and then start behaving erratically. So I contacted Logitech about it, and they had been really graceful. Even though it took a couple of days before they actually started to respond on the online web portal. Apart from leaving a complaint on the web portal, I had to call them on Facebook as well. I had to message them on Facebook as well. But finally, they did respond, and they honored their warranty. And I was surprised to know that these things have a warranty of 3 years. That's pretty good amount. And looks like I've only used this for 1.5 year, and because the hardware has failed, they'll ask you to do some checks on your side, and once those checks are done, um, they're going to replace the device. So that's how I got this new M570, um, which looks exactly the same. I think the logo kind of is different now. Earlier, the logo looked like this with Logitech. Now this is not perceptible, but earlier it was a little thicker. Now it's grown darker, and it's not perceptible. But looks like that's the only change that I see here. And Logitech honors their warranty. I really like it about them. So before I knew I could replace it free of cost by claiming the warranty, which I did not know that it was 3 years even then. I was thinking of buying the MX vertical mouse. Probably I'll use this for a while and then buy it. So that's about it. Good product, and they honor the warranty as well. So leaves me very satisfied as a customer, even though there is a little bit of a communication lag in getting this replaced. But eventually, you will get it replaced. Thanks for watching.